My friend, I'm gonna show you how to riffle shuffle like a pro and how to make a simple magic trick that you yourself will look like a professional magician. But first, here's the image that I want you to keep in your head, alright? The action, my friend, is there. Simple, simple. Why make things difficult? How are you doing? I'm good. This is the position, my friend, where you want to be, alright? This is Johnnysamoa. Now let me show you a powerful magic trick you can do with just a riffle shuffle. My friend, I have the live performance here on the tutorial here. You can check it out if you want. But now, my friend, I'm going to show you an easy but very, very powerful magic trick you can do with just a riffle shuffle, alright? It goes like this, alright? Whether you have it on a table or have it in your hand, it doesn't matter. You pick up the card. My friend, let me show you a magic trick. Feel free to select a card from anywhere you like, alright? Remember this, okay? We don't know the card, only they know the card. Please lock this in your head. I don't know, let's have a look. It's a Queen of Spades. You don't get to look at it. Remember this card. You put the card like this and you say, my friend, check it out. Is there any other card like your card in there? They say no. You say, can you riffle shuffle? And they say, yeah, okay. You give it to them. Nothing in the hand, you give it to them. They will probably go like this. Yeah. It doesn't matter, okay? Or they can even shuffle the cards like this. It doesn't matter, my friend. Remember, we're doing the magic trick, a powerful magic trick, alright? Now, they shuffle. When you get it back from them, okay? They can shuffle even more if they don't like it, okay? When you get it back from them, my friend, we say, think about it. I've got it. My friend, these cards here will help me find your selected card. What? Be honest, was it a Queen of Spades? They would freak out and say, how did you do that? When you get the Queen back from them, you put it in the middle, whatever card they selected, and you say, look, all the cards are different, okay? When you're doing that, the left corner of the card you are going to push up. That leaves that mark there, okay? And then you close the cards like this and you give it to them, okay? They can riffle shuffle, blah blah blah, any shuffle they like, okay? It's okay. Once you get it back from them, okay, you can see, imagine if we shuffle like this now. Okay, we can shuffle many times and cut, blah blah blah. We can still kind of see where the Queen is right here. See, can you see it? So you just put one card on top of the Queen and you can take another card. You can take a card from anywhere you like. Now we have it like that, and all we have to do is push those two cards up and the Queen should come out the other end. My God, Johnnysamoa, I'm definitely gonna subscribe to you. My friend, I'm going to teach you how to riffle shuffle. Everyone should learn how to riffle shuffle, alright? This move, my friend, is the riffle shuffle move. When learning something, having an image or a picture in your head to remember how something is done makes it easy. This, my friend, is the riffle shuffle position, right? For me. Now, I'm teaching you how I riffle shuffle. There are thousands and millions of ways to do it, but on this channel, my friend, I teach you how I do magic and shuffle cards and all that things, right? So please consider sponsoring so I can keep on making this video. Yeah, riffle shuffle, pick up, okay? Now, the right hand and the left hand, they do exactly the same job, alright? When you do this, you go on top, you pick up the cards, and now you're ready. Now let me explain to you what each finger's job is, right? The thumb's job, my friend, all it wants to do, my friend, is to pull back, lean back, lean back. The index, my friend, all it wants to do is push forward, push forward. So this one, pull back, push forward. The fingers down here, my friend, their job, my friend, is just to hold the cards so that they don't go all over the place, alright? When you pick up the cards and you're ready to do the riffle shuffle and they are not square like that, your pinky, my friend, and index will square the cards up like that. Now you're ready, alright? square. The pinky and the index will help square the cards, alright? Now, I have my pinky down the bottom here. Some people have their pinky on the side here when they riffle shuffle. It doesn't matter where your pinky goes, right? For me, my pinky is at the bottom, okay? Personal preference, right? Now, when each fingers know their job, you don't even have to think about them anymore. The cards are on the table, you pick up, yeah, right? My pinky is at the bottom. If the cards are messy, my pinky will automatically go to the side. I don't have to tell it where to go. The pinky feels it, okay? They feel the vibe. Yo, how are you doing? Pick up the card. Important thing now, my friend, is my left hand. Before my right hand goes down to pick up the cards to do a riffle shuffle, it already sends a signal to my left hand. Yo, get ready, we are doing it. Alright, let me give you an example. Yo, how's it doing? Get ready. Come in straight away. Alright? Look, it doesn't wait. It meets the card. When I riffle off, this card here, come in and touch them, meet them. Yo. Now, some people like do it like this, and then they go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this. There are a lot of movement, which is fine, but I'm teaching you how I do it, look like a professional doing it, yeah? Yo, how are you doing? Get ready. Let me show you a magic trick. So last night I went to, you know what I mean, so that kind of thing. So there's less movement, the better, right? So, pick up. If they are messy, use the pinky and the index to square the cards. Otherwise, just go straight up here. Now you're here, alright? Now, these hands come in and meet. The thumb go on top. The bottom fingers here will swing the cards up like this. You're still holding the cards, okay? Holding them. You're also helping here to square the cards, okay? Now, the index finger needs to go to the back of the cards, okay? Behind. And the thumb will go on top, okay? Now, you don't need to tell them what to do because automatically every finger should know their job, alright? Yeah. Yo, get ready. Now go here, up, see, like that, okay? Now you are ready to do, just pull back, like mobile one, okay? When you get to here, your index, hold the cards, helping hold the cards, okay? Your thumb's on top, and you are going to keep it like this, and the end finger, you want them to kiss, kind of thing, like that. Push them down, okay? Like that, okay? Now, do it slowly, I recommend doing it like this. You're picking it from here, you can start from this position here, okay? Get ready. Top, swing, ting, ting. Push in. Start it off like this, okay? You can go like this. Until you get that, okay? The more you do it like this, it will naturally come, okay? See how it's messy like that? Pinky's job, square them up and get back in line, alright? It's on the table, so the less movement, the better, my friend. Now, if it's not on the table, you're holding it in your hand and you're ready to do the magic, the same thing. Yo, get ready, like that, down, up, down, okay, slowly build yourself up. Have it in steps, okay? For example, you pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, that's 7, okay? You can cut the numbers down each time. You pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let's go to 5 now. How are we gonna do 5? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we got it. Let's go to, you know what I mean. Just keep working like that, and then it will help you get it together, alright? You can use the table. Alright? But most of the time when you're doing magic, there's no tables in your left hand. Just remember the move. Go there. Hey, get ready. Dun. Alright, and then you can start the magic from there, my friend. Remember the move. It's in your left hand. You hold it. Come on top. Riffle off. Okay, thumb go on top. Swing the cards up. Index will naturally go to its position. and you're in this position. You let the cards down one by one. Okay, your index go to the front, hold the cards, thumbs on top, and you're trying to make your hands kiss kind of things. Okay, I recommend starting off like this. Okay, just push the cards in like that. Okay, push the cards in like that. You if you push in, you can kind of see what I'm trying to do here, right? See. Then once you get used to the movement, okay, then you do that. Okay. Alright, see, slowly, keep practicing until you get to the point where you don't even think about it and every finger is doing its job. My friend, if you enjoy these videos, my friend, and you would like me to make more tutorial like this, please consider sponsoring Johnnysamoa. Alright, my videos will always be free for everyone to see. Alright, peace, and I'll see you soon. Do something.